One of the stories that the book tells is the story of Clif Bar. And, the founder of Clif Bar, he had a co-founder that was kind of the traditional MBA type. And they went in 50-50, which you should almost never do. I would probably never recommend it. I usually tell entrepreneurs never do that. But they went in 50-50 on the business, and they grew it for, I think, 4 or 5 years. And they had the opportunity to exit, and it was going to make each of them like over $10 million of wealth. And the night before, they were going to sign the legal docs to sell the business and get $10 million each in their accounts. He was throwing up and just had a change of heart and thought, why am I doing this? I love this business. I want to do this for the rest of my life. And he came in the next morning and he told his co-founder, female co-founder, he said to her, I'm not going to do it. And she said, well, if you don't do it, I'm going to sue you because we're in 50-50 and I've already made all these plans and we're going to do this thing. We can't string these people along. This is the day that we sign. This is the day we get paid. And he said, I'm not doing it. And so she ended up, I think, suing him. And he worked out a deal where he would pay her almost the equivalent of 10 million over a 3-year period out of the profits of the business if she would essentially relinquish all of her shares to him. He ended up paying her back in 2 years and ended up turning that business into over $1 billion business, I believe.